Hey everybody and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you top Relevance AI tools you need to know. So let's just get going. So first of all, for that you're going to be heading over to your tools section on the left side of your screen, or you can also head over to your tools section from your dashboard. Once you are onto your tools section, on the top right side you can see an option to build a new tool. You can also export it using custom GPT actions or MCP server, but I'm going to be creating a new tool. So let's just say you want to learn about best tools that are going to be used. So like for example, if I click on this option, you can see create a to-do list from emails. Now this could be really helpful. So using this, what you can do is you can create amazing to-do lists, and those are going to be helping you to simply manage your stuff and do stuff easily. So another thing could be post a poll on social media. So basically you can post a poll on social media, and that is going to be helping you to simply get some response upon something, and that could be a really helpful tool as well. Or you can also choose these options to create or clone tools. You can clone different type of tools. So you can see we have trending agents here, and we have different type of um, yeah, templates. So if I clone these are going to be helping us to do different type of stuff. Like for example, we have Google Sheets, graph, charter, we have calendar, booking schedule, so various others. So you can use these tools to do daily life tasks and automate them. If you want to access Relevance AI, make sure to head over to the link in the description below and you will gain your access. So make sure to give a try to that. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next video.